Hi there, students. To blandish. Blandishments. Okay, you blandish somebody with blandishments. To butter somebody up, to get them to do something you want them to do. Blandishments are flattery. You blandish somebody by saying how clever they are, how well dressed, how elegant, how stylish. But that's because you want them to give you something, to help you, to lend you something, to act in a certain way. He blandished his aunt by being incredibly polite, opening the doors for her and always letting her go first. So, to blandish, to praise dishonestly, to cajole and to flatter, wanting to persuade. I didn't believe his blandishments, for I saw through them immediately. So to blandish, to compliment excessively and ingratiatingly, to suck up to soft soap, to sweet talk. A sycophant is full of blandishments. Sycophantic, flattering. He tried to blandish me into buying lunch, but I wasn't falling for it. So, to blandish in one of two ways: to butter somebody up because you want something from them, or to flatter and compliment dishonestly, really because you want to create a good impression of yourself. You want to get into their good books. Okay, this word blandish, I think, comes from Latin. I think there's a word blandus meaning soft, and I think there's another Latin word very close to this meaning to flatter. Okay, this word to blandish is a formal word. I'd probably give to blandish an 8 and blandishments an 8 in formality. This isn't a phrase to use in the pub. Use the word flatter or to butter up. That's even more informal. I think blandish and blandishment, save it for something semi-formal, but best for something very formal. Notice as well, to blandish is a regular verb. He was blandishing me. He blandished. He has blandished me all my life. Okay, so to blandish, to tell someone how wonderful they are because you want something from them. To cajole and persuade somebody by use of false compliments, dishonest compliments, yeah? Telling them how wonderful everything is and laughing at their incredibly funny jokes, which aren't funny at all, but you're trying to get something from this person. Okay, so to blandish, to praise dishonestly because you want something. Blandishments, flattery. Yeah, they say in English sometimes flattery will get you everywhere. Yeah, it'll get you everything you want. Maybe, maybe not. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To blandish, blandishments.